that's devastating. But when you walk up close, you notice there's people's personal belongings here. There's a toaster, microwave, TV, there's someone's lamp, there's a garbage bag with someone's everyday trash. That makes it all the more real. Someone was living in this. This was their home, they raised children, had memories, gone, all in a heartbeat.
It was kind of shocking, and listening to your mom talk about how her and her friends would go down and have a good time and go from bar to bar, restaurant to restaurant. I guess I'm a little sad that I didn't get to experience all that, but what I'm witnessing is just basically a ghost town. I guess I didn't really even know what to expect, because I didn't even know exactly where we were going, and I did notice like piles of trash here and there, but I didn't put any thought into it. Seeing just that one town, there's other towns all along that island that had the same issue.
When did you and Dad live down here, Mom?
1976, 77, a long time ago. He built that well, he didn't by himself, he was a carpenter. It's when he got cut off from the railroad, or was fixing to get cut off. And he helped build that children's hospital down here, and I worked for the food stamp office.
I first played on the beaches in Port Aransas when I was 5. My family and their ties to the area go back decades, before I was born.
It's got to look here.
An avid angler, my mother has been visiting Port A when it was just a sleepy fishing village.
Somebody's playing all this. Yeah. Here are their shingles.
After the hurricane, I decided to take my mother and boyfriend back to the coast to capture 2 different perspectives on a place that has become almost unrecognizable. It's hard to visit a place where you created a lifetime of memories and see it overturned like this. Many of the places were gone.
Quicksilver. It's got those are all the brands. Third Coast Beach Company.
What did I buy there?
You bought that big set of shark jaws that you've got hanging on your wall to this day, and, as I recall, a bathing suit and a beach towel. And probably some other kind of junk. Tourist junk.
I got to see all the buildings that are there, but just closed. It's interesting. It's got like the smell of a kind of just shop that has a little bit of everything in it. Shingles everywhere. The doors were still chained shut. Cool, interesting places, but you can't go to them because they're all closed. These places are still boarded up. I don't even know what these people do otherwise. I don't know, man.
Our trip down memory lane took us up the coast to Rockport, another place in which the devastation has left its mark. This boat storage facility once served as a landmark to one of our favorite birding spots. Despite the devastation, hope can be found all over the island as it rebuilds. Many of the hotels, still in need of repair, have opened their rooms so that islanders displaced from their homes will have a place of refuge. One by one, many of the local restaurants and bars are resuming business. We came to Port A knowing that devastation had taken hold, but we also came knowing that the spirit of Port A still stood strong, and that is exactly what we found.